So welcome back. In the back you can see a caddy, and they converted it to a small camper van with a couch, a bed, and also they can fit a small motorcycle. We're gonna look around what they've done, what they made, just to walk around. Ja toch.
Bonjour. Welcome to our caddy van conversion 2019. The most important thing for us was really to have a nice dry place when it's raining, and that's where it all started. So we were planning on a sofa or a couch inside the camper van, to call it, and we started with it and built everything afterwards. So I think the best solution for it was that we made it that way. We have a little storage underneath, but not that much. That's why we have a box on top. The most important thing for, say, my boyfriend was to have enough space for our little motorcycle. So that's why we don't have as much storage underneath, but it's fairly okay because we have the box on top. We have a little couch, and all we have to do to have a nice sleeping area is to pull that one out. Pull that one out and then just transfer these mattresses over here. To have it nice, cool and dark enough, we made these blinds ourselves. They just contain isolation. We made some cushions for it. It's like a cushion, and then it just goes on the window. And we will fix it with some magnets. Super simple. Just be sure to have magnets which stick very well, but not too hard. Otherwise you will have problems like this.
Awesome.
Voila!
How about the lights?
We have some romantic lights over here for nice evening hours. Other than that, we don't have light, as far as the light from our phone. Oops. To fix the motorcycle, we built something that goes in here. This is the mounting for the back seats actually. Just put a screw in here, one over here. This is where the front from the motorcycle comes. Very handy is that the caddy comes with these hooks. And what we did then is to put this in here. This goes just one around here until here.
Cool.
We put this hook on here. Chris did it all by himself, and also this one.
Cool.
Which is also very good for mounting the motorcycle.
And how big is the bed?
The bed itself, it's 1.18 meters long, I think, and in the back it's 1.30, and over here it's 1.10 meters.
Cool.
It fits the two of us perfectly, better than our bed before. The mattresses are from IKEA. Oops.
And how much did it cost?
All in all, the conversion was 149 euros and 59 cents.
Super low budget.
So super low budget caddy conversion for.
And that was including the motorcycle?
Well, not in the price. Yep.
Alright. Can we put it in the car?
Okay.
So it fits perfectly. How about this bike rack? Why did you choose this one?
for more mobility, because we not only have a motorcycle, we also have some bikes with us. We chose the bicycle rack simply because his parents had it already.
Cool. And it folds down, so it's super easy. You can open the back door with the bike rack still on the car. It's really nice. Perfect.
Perfect measurement.
Super handy. Yeah, I think that's it. Awesome. Can you please ask all the viewers to subscribe?
Please, if you like this video or if you like Joran at all, subscribe and follow him on Instagram.
Hey, there's a video here in the screen. There's a video. Like, wow, awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Safe journey. You too, with the
Merci
motorcycle.
beaucoup, monsieur.
Oh, très bien.
Très bien.
Très bien.
Très bien.